There are two things that make trade risk management very difficult. Firstly, the value of a pip is different for every instrument you trade. So a 10 pip stop loss on Euro USD is different from a 10 pip stop loss on USD JPY. Secondly, trades based on higher time intervals like daily candles typically require stop losses that are further away from your opening price, which results in greater trade risk. This is why we created the Autochartist risk calculator, to help you set risk-adjusted position sizes for your trades. First, drag the Autochartist risk calculator onto your chart. You'll notice two components of this indicator that appear on the chart: the risk control panel and the orange stop loss level. So decide on where you want to set your stop loss and move the orange line to that level. If the orange line is below the current price, then the indicator assumes you're planning on a long position. If the orange line is above the current price, then the indicator assumes you're planning a short position. Next, decide on how much money you want to risk on this trade. I have $10,000 in my account, so I want to risk about 1%. That's $100. So I can either set the dollar amount, or what I prefer to do is set my risk as a percentage of equity. If you set your position as a percentage of equity, then your dollar exposure will change as your balance changes when you make winning or losing trades. Notice how with every change you make, the volume value changes. That's the number you'll enter into your trade ticket. In this example, we see that if we want to place a buy order at the current price with a stop loss at the orange line, we need to set our position size to 0.22. Like this. If you plan on trading a pending order, such as a buy stop or sell stop, then you need to set a custom entry price by clicking the checkbox next to custom entry price. Once you do this, a green line will appear. The green line represents the entry level at which you plan to set your pending order. Move the green line to your desired trade level and move the orange stop loss line to your desired stop level. Once again, with every change you make, the volume value changes. In this example, we see that if we plan to buy a buy stop position on euro dollar and we want to risk 1% of our capital, then we need to set our volume as specified in the risk control panel, like this. The risk analyzer is also integrated with Autochartist volatility analysis data. This means that if you tick the Show Expected Trading Ranges checkbox, you'll get the expected trading ranges along with the position sizes for the different levels. This allows you to not only consider your trading strategy for stop loss levels, but also the expected price volatility. You'll notice how the position size is specified on each level. In this example, to risk 1% of my capital, with an entry at the current price and a stop loss at 1.74, we need to set a position size of 0.16. If you ever get confused about what each of the fields in the control panel mean, just hover your mouse over the information icons and you'll get a clear and simple explanation on each field.